Hello, SEOs. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete new solutions, new problem solutions completely for free. And imagine you have some keywords, not some keywords, maybe you have 15 or 60 keywords, and you wanted to check those keywords performance data on Google Search Console, right? So how you can do it? Right? In general method, what you can do is go to the search console and filter by one, right? So this is how you can see those keywords performance data, and it will suck your times. Okay, so if you wanted to see those keywords performance data at at once in just one click, then this video is for you because I have made a complete solution for this problem. So what you can do to find those performance. Now, first of all, go to the Search Console, downloads the data or export it in Google Sheets. And as you can see, I have made this sheet to find out those keyword performance data. For example, uh, I wanted to see these keywords, position, previous month's position, last month position data, and the clicks with impressions. So how I can do it? Uh, so because these are not all the things are not in together, right? For example, the first keyword is here, then after 10 keywords, second keyword is here. So it is difficult for me to find out those keywords, right? So what I can do is paste my keywords in this input keyword tab. That is what I did. I just hit paste those keyword in here. Then, and you have to paste or export your search console data in here in this sheet data tab. And in the result tab, you're gonna just come here and you'll see a search console filter option here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just click on here and I'm gonna click on process keywords. Let's say so. What is happened is run it skipped, which is I pasted on the app script. Then it's showing me here that it processed five matching keyword process, right? So it's find five keywords with its performance data. So what I'm gonna do is click on here, OK, and voila. As you can see here, it's showing me all the data of those keywords, right? So the performance, the last month performance, the previous month performance data. So I'll leave a link in the description of this sheet. You can just click on copy and use it. By the way, when you will click on this process keyword, it will show you to give a permission, right? So don't worry, just click on your give the permission. That will be okay. Just so, and I'm offering a service to make this kind of custom Google sheet, or you wanted to make this kind of sheet for your personal problem. You can contact with me. I'll definitely talk with you and give you a solution. So yeah, thank you for watching, and go to the comment section. You will see this sheet link. Oh, thank you.